In this video, I'll be showing you how to make a ringtone on your iPhone with GarageBand. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, it's very simple to do, so you can have a custom ringtone with literally any music you want. So I'm just going to flip my phone this way right here. I already have a ringtone, so what I'm going to do is press the plus icon on the top right. Then once you press that, you're going to see a lot of different options, right? So what you want to go ahead and click on is you want to find audio recorder like so. Then just go ahead and click on that like I have done so right here. You want to press this firstly, then you want to press these little lines here. Go to metronome and count him and turn off both of these just like so. Now what you want to do from here is you want to see on the left, you're going to have that brick button. So go ahead and press that, right? Now, what I want to do from here is I'm going to see that loop icon right here. Go ahead and press that. Then there's going to be, Apple loops, but then you can also press files. So I'm going to press files, and as you can see, I already have an MP3 file here. If you don't, you can browse items from the files application. So all I got to do is drag it to my timeline. So I'm going to hold it down, and then I can just drag it like so. And now it's literally here, which is really great. And now what I can basically do with it, let's say I want it to start at this very specific point, right? So I can hold it from this side and I can drag it until it's at the point where I want it to start. Then all I got to do is just move this all the way to the side, and now it starts from exactly where I want it to. Now, once you're happy with it, all you got to do is press this down arrow right here. You're going to see the My Songs option. So go ahead and click on that. It says it's going to be saving it. So that's the previous one I've made. That's the one I've just made today. So now all I got to do is once it loads, all I have to do now is long press on it. Once you long press on it, I want to press share. So I'm going to press share right now. And then from here, I can just choose the format. And for this, I'm going to be using a ringtone like so, and then that's it. I can export the ringtone and call it whatever I want. So I'm just going to press export right now, and that's it. It says ringtone export successful, and it's as simple as that.